Munib Shahzad has lived his entire life unable to eat or speak properly because of a jaw defect.
But today, the teen is looking forward to a better life thanks to a once-in-a-lifetime surgery at Humber River Hospital. Our health reporter, Pauline Chan, has the details.
How do you feel today?
Nervous and excited.
Munib Shahzad headed into more than 9 hours of surgery at Humber River Hospital to correct a problem that left him unable to open his jaw.
His underlying diagnosis is something called hemifacial Microsomia, where half of the face doesn't grow properly.
When he was a child in Pakistan, doctors used a rib to try and fix his jaw.
But that failed, and what happened was the entire area fused together. So that ankylosis caused him never to be able to open his mouth.
He ate through a straw. Dr. Marco Caminiti says nutrition has been a concern, and the psychological impact of a facial difference is hard on a child. In addition, Munib's gums grew together, called Sygnathia, creating a unique medical problem. The Humber River team spent a year planning the surgery. Prosthetics were specially designed and donated by a U.S. firm. Caminiti says the most challenging aspect of the surgery was separating the fused left side of the jaw, which has several major blood vessels close by.
It's kind of like Lego. If you plan it properly and the guides are done properly, the pieces fit properly and they really snap into place.
And it will be 3 to 4 months before he can chew solid foods. But the hope is that his new jaw will put a better face on his future.
I'm going to be police officer.
He'll do several months of rehab at Holland Bloorview before returning home. Pauline Chan, CTV News.